welcome back to my channel. This is your girl J Kales. Go ahead and take a moment, hit subscribe, click the little bell, do all that good stuff. Thank you for doing it. Okay, so what we're doing today is really nice and simple. It's just like a salad so I can eat all day because I'm working from home. So I'm trying to, you know, have things around that's not going to blow me up but still have a lot of flavor to it. So this is just a real quick cucumber salad. These are organic cucumbers I have. They're really big, but they say they're organic. I don't know. That's something like, I know some people like to go vegetarian and vegan and all that, but all this stuff have hormones in it if you ask me. Because I remember when a cucumber was like cucumber. That was cucumber. But okay, anyway. So what we're going to use, we're going to have some chili powder, black pepper, paprika. We have rice vinegar. We have the wonderful, the beautiful, the classical seasoning. We have the dark sesame seed oil. We have soy sauce. We have a little crushed red pepper. Then I'll put maybe like a tablespoon or so of sugar, you know, at the end. So all I'm going to do, I already rinsed off the cucumbers. I'm just going to cut the little butt off of each end, or I cut the other end off already, I forgot. Okay, and for these, I'm going to cut it in half. Go ahead and sit the slicing down. Hope y'all doing good. This is actually a really good salad. It has a lot of flavor to it. And I love pickles, so I feel like it's sort of like a pickle too. Okay, like, okay, with the cucumbers, I'm just going to throw them in my bowl I have here. Okay. They're about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thick. If you want them thinner, you can do them thinner. I like a crunch, so I do want it big because it's marinating in the sauce, so it will soften them up. So I leave them a little bit bigger. Therefore, I have that crunch that I love. Okay. I normally leave my trash can next to me. I put it way over there knowing I can't play basketball. So I'm sitting here trying to shoot. I'll be sweeping after this video. I'll be sweeping. Okay, so I'm gonna go cut. Okay. Then we're gonna pour them in there.
First of all, you missed too much of Tiger King.
My daughter throwing me off. She know I'm recording a video. She come up here talking about the TV. It's rude.
You're missing too much of it.
Okay. She's rude. And then she try to act all sweet when she get around people. Rude.
I'm a teenager. What do you expect?
Okay, so now what we are going to do is shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm going to do the dry seasonings first. I'm just going to throw them on there, a little sprinkle at a time. This is the chili powder. I put the black pepper first. Alrighty, we have our paprika. And we have our Creole seasoning. I'm a big fan of spice myself, so that's why I have the crushed red peppers that I'm going to put on there. And I don't know, who knows, I might end up putting some, give me a minute. I'm thinking. Oh, that was probably too much. Well, I'm not going to need it. It was a sriracha. I remember now. I won't need it because I kept shaking it's okay. Now we're just going to stir them all together. Stir the seasoning together.
You got two in the zone there, Mom?
Huh?
You got two in the zone?
Yeah, I couldn't remember what I was trying to say. Doggone, what? Sriracha. See, I forgot again. But it's okay. I like it a little spicy, though. I might still, it's not as much as I thought. But I'm going to wait until after it's marinated to see how spicy it is. I like spice. You know, 'cause I like spice, but I want to be able to eat my food. Okay. Alrighty, so we have that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the rice vinegar. It's about a tablespoon or two of rice vinegar. I season with my eyes. I'm so sorry. If I try to use a measuring cup, like unless it's like something baked or rice, because I'm not the best rice cooker, I actually have to use my measurements on that. I literally measure to eye. So when I try, and I've tried before, like for other things that I do, I've tried to write the recipe down, and I was so stressed out. Like, I just can't do it. I'm visual with it. So, like, there's more things that I want to do, but I'm going to have to have someone do my own measurements for me. Eyeball the measurement. I don't know. I need a professional.
I'm a professional.
Okay, and I'm actually going to go ahead and use this spoon now. And we're going to just stir it all together. I have my sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to go ahead and stir that. You don't have to put the sugar. It doesn't make it sweet. It just sort of gives it a nice balance. I'm not big on sweets. I don't even put sugar in my coffee. So it's not to make it sweet. It's just to give it balance. So it's up to you if you put it in or not. But I can tell you I'm not really a sweets person. I do eat sweets. But I eat food. I eat a lot of food. So when I do crave a sweet, then I eat it. But I had to stress that. Some people gonna be like, oh my gosh, she put sugar in there. What she put sugar? For balance, okay? I'm not a freaking sugar freak, okay? I drink water and coffee and that's it. Yeah, that's it. So now what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna add one of the best seasonings ever created for vegetables, raw vegetables, and raw fruit. You know, like the lady in front of the flea market where you always see her. You buy your mango with the salt, pepper, vinegar, and the, ooh, I wish I can go to her now. I call the lady her over here where I live. I don't even know that lady's name, but I know when I see her, I'm buying me a cup. I know I'm buying a cup. Ooh, that's what I should do one day. I sort of just go support her and go pay for her stuff. But I can make it. You know, we can make it. I don't know. I like to support others too. People out here, we all out here on the grind. You know, that's what it said. We don't have to be the best at everything. It's okay to support somebody. It's okay. It's okay. Add a little bit more of the soy sauce. And again, this is done in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I wanted to have a little kick. This looks amazing. Alrighty, beautiful people. I'm add a little bit more of this because you can never have enough. You can also put like ginger. Ginger tastes really good with this as well. I already put a lot of everything else. I'm not going to add it this time, but ginger does something to this thing too. It really does. Get a little squeeze bottle so you don't have to go through all the stress, and it really tastes good. I'm just going to take some aluminum foil. Okay, I'm going to cover it up. And again, once we put it in the refrigerator, I'm going to leave it for at least 30-45 minutes before I taste some. But when you put it in here, go ahead and shake it up. What I should have used is a covered bowl. But I didn't. I just picked up the thing and covered it myself. Again, I'm a home cook. I say that when I know I have somebody have something to say. I didn't say I was a professional. I'm just good at what I do. Okay? Alrighty, so here we go. This baby looks beautiful. Oh, let me give you a visual. This is what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like for now. Okay? And I will see you all in about 30 minutes when I pull it out. And we'll taste it together. Holla. All right, I'm back. Done. I'm going to shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay. Oh my gosh, these look so good. Look at those. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna pour some in my little bowl I have here. That should be good. And I do want some of that juice. Okay. You see that? I made a mess. Should have used a spoon. I made a big old mess. I'm mad because I want that juice for tomorrow.
See?
Ooh. Okay. So, I gotta dip it. Take it. You gotta dip. Mmm. 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 I'm messing with you now. Janaya.
Just for the record, nobody dabs anymore.